Festri, India Pandela, Kachisa.
One of the most ancient and grandiose festivals of the Khasis, the annual Nongkrem Dance, celebrated today at the premises of Ying Sart of Smith, the headquarters of Hima Kairim. Beautiful damsels in gold ornaments and valiant young men brandishing their swords was a feast to the eyes, and they danced in the annual festival Shat Nongkrem, showcasing the age-old religion, culture and heritage of the Khasis. Kapong Blang's aim, popularly known as Shat Nongkrem, is observed in the month of November. The purpose of Nongkrem dance is to seek blessing of goddess Kablai Sinshar for a huge agricultural yield and welfare of the people. The dance is performed by the young men and women of the Khasi tribe in their most traditional and exotic attires. The female dancer performed the Kashat Kinthe in the inner circle of the arena, while the men perform the Kashat Maste with swords in their right hand and a simpia in their left hand, changing their pace to the beats of the drums and tangmuri. On the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma handed over a cheque of 1 crore rupees to Dr. Balajit Singh's aim of Hima Kairim.
I would like to give my best wishes to all the citizens of our state. Our traditions and our culture is what our identity is, and it is what makes us unique. And hence, protecting, preserving and promoting our culture and our different festivals is something that we all should strive to do.